Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Going Guitar Twin on Pilots, here at the risk of feeling dumb. Alright, so yeah, we don't like that feeling dumb. We're gonna try to straight out some question marks here when it comes to this song. So we're gonna handle it in a great way. We had a capo set here on the 2nd fret, and with that we have kind of 5 chords, 4 in a transition chord. That's what we're gonna work with. So capo on 2nd, try to get one if you haven't got one already. It's a great investment buying a capo, and will make your guitar life much easier. So let's start with the capo on 2nd and go over the chords. We have first the F here. It's a bar chord. You're gonna bar the 1st fret, and you're gonna bar all strings there, and then you need to add 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. Alright, the next chord is D minor, and just some technical stuff here. To get the D minor, you don't have to go like this and then try to grab it, start all over again. You have already the 2nd G string there, so you just keep that and do this. Alright, much easier, have something to work with here. So this is the D minor. That will be open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 1st E. Then we have A minor, and that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, open E. And then we have C. So from A minor to C, it's very simple. You just do this. You keep the index and mid finger there on the same spot, and you just turn your little ring finger up to the 3rd fret A string. That's the starting point. And then 2nd D, open G, 1st B, and open E. We also have this transition chord. I will call that the C-B chord. It comes from A minor, and then comes this transition chord. What you do here from A minor, you just do like this. You want this bass note here. You can keep that index still there, but you just go to this position. All right, so that will be 2nd on A, open D, it works like that, and open G, 1st B, and open E. You just have a short time here with the C-B chord. Like I said, a transition chord over to C that comes right after. So there you have the chords. Okay, let's take a look at the strumming pattern, and we need to divide this one into 2 different parts to handle this transition chord. So if you go back to the F, that's the 1st chord. One strumming round will be down, down, clap, down. So that's one full round. And the first part will be the first 2 downs. So like that, okay? That's the part 1, and then part 2, clap and then down. So together. Right? So we have this main part that goes 1 string around per chord, and it will be F1, D minor 1, A minor 1, and C1. That is the main part of the song. So very simple and easy. So there you have the main part, but then in choruses, for example, at 1 minute and 26 seconds into the song, starts the round here that incorporates the C-B, the transition chord as well. So it goes F1, D minor 1, A minor 1. So it starts in the same way, but then instead of having C 1 full round, you split that on C-B, part 1, the down, down, and then you switch to C, standard C, and play part 1 there as well, the down, down. So you're gonna play F1, D minor 1, A minor 1, and then the C-B, and then C. And that's the end of the round. So part 1 on C-B, part 1 on C. One round goes like this. Alright guys, so there you have the two different parts here. With the main part you have like 85-90% of the song, and then sometimes you have to incorporate the C, B, and C there. And that is at the risk of feeling dumb. Hope you understood this tutorial, and yeah, thank you for support guys. Till next time, play tuned.